My name's Luke Drake. Little video yeah, but you me talk about how now me set them up on gravity flow drip irrigation system. Okay, one of them now where you may start talking about him gravity flow drip irrigation. Gravity flow, him mean them say you may use them heavy blow water no more, blong push some water through all pipe, blong you may water them all car and you me. Him no use them pump, him no use them electric, him no even use them solar. You may use them all gravity pressure or him use them all heavy blowing water no more, blong push them, you go out load tank. Stamp a ting behind low drip irrigation, him blow you put them water slow no more, straight lo stampa blow one plant no more. So bye you may talk about all different part or something we have a Pamela store, but one something where you must remember, him that main stampa ting, him blow you give him water slow straight lo stampa, blow make him say you no waste them any water. So you sabi Pam all get the something lo store, blow make him nice, but mutu some fella only stop using all local materials too. Bamboo, suppose you may cut them half him. After you look half him, water is running go underneath him. Suppose you put them hole underneath him. Water drip, him may come out slow. Him too, him may sabi water them all cut him to you. Him now him may sabi work on some one drip irrigation too. So him may possible you may sabi use some local materials. Long video yeah, but you may mainly talk about or get the supplies we may have at Pamela store. Or something or part where you may use them, long build them drip irrigation. You got full up different way, long you may set them up or below you may build them one drip irrigation system. Might all store only tell them you cut them one different part. From say only no sabi cut them himya, only cut them one different part. But by you may look at one way, by you may tell them one of them now you may need after, by you look lo store. Or get the bioli tell them say one of them now a straight part, bioli sabi give them to you. First one something, him say rainwater tank or well to you. You must got one tap to him. Suppose you no got one tap, you must put them one tap first time. From say tap, him now him control him flow along water. You on more you off him. Okay. After low tap where you start low tank or well, okay. But you may talk about old pipe. Mainly you may got two for kind pipe where you may use them with them drip irrigation. One pipe, you may call them poly pipe. Poly pipe, him one flexible plastic pipe where him you connect through long tank, where him you run him water you go out long tank, where him you cut him you go straight low place low cut him you. So even where tank him no stop color stop low cut in, you may use them poly tank, where you may put them water, where you cut him out low tank, where you may put them low cut in. Poly pipe, him water him knows should come out low poly pipe. Poly pipe, him got all different size him. Might him 19 millimeters or him got some different kind size back again. After low poly pipe, you got drip tube or dripper tube or drip line. It got some fella different kind name, what only call him, but drip tube or drip line, him more small, him got those small hole where only put them you go where one something we only call them emitter. Emitters only stop inside long tube, more water him come out to him. Well, make him say water him come out same every time no more. So poly pipe with them drip line or drip tube. Him now two follow main pipes where you may use them. After we got all fittings. All fittings when you put them every something good together. Okay, one fitting him one hose connector. You may use them long fasten poly pipe, you go long tap. Or get the store, all you got all different kind hose connectors, but by a store to you, by just tell him what I'm now hose connector, him a good one where all the stuck at him. Suppose you must put them poly pipe to you where him no come straight no more, but him must come round long corner or you must change them direction long poly pipe. Him got some fella fitting back again, what we call them couplers or T's or elbows, where you must use them long cut them poly pipe, you may make them poly pipe to you, him round them one corner or change them direction. You may connect them or fasten drip tube or drip line, you go along poly pipe, you push them one hole with them one hole punch, you cut them hole punch, you push them inside long poly pipe. Him make him one hole. After you push some barbed connector, you go inside him, yeah? You must got some fittings back again. You got some different name what we call him. Sometimes we'll call them barbed connectors, or might only call them takeoff connectors. You push some drip tube, you go in him. After where you push some barbed connector or takeoff, you push some drip line or drip tube, and him you fasten me go straight long poly pipe. Make him say hole punch tool. Him me one tool where you may stop use them. Suppose you not got one drip. Suppose you not got one hole punch. You start use some one small piece wire where you put some one hole. You go inside the poly pipe, but you must make him say hole. Him me straight size. Must make him say water. He no come out around the side of him. Okay. Next fella one. Him me got one something where you may call him goof plug. Goof plug. Him me one something. Suppose you missed him. Suppose you use some hole punch. You make him one hole, you missed him, you make him say, "Him no straight place for him." You put him on goof plug. Him me one kind fitting back again where you no got hole inside of him. Him me block him hole no more. Okay, me him say, you may got poly pipe, you may got drip tube or drip line, and then you may must put them every something together. Now, poly pipe, him me open long in him, because you may must sat him. So we got two different kind of way you may start him. One, him will use him one something where you may call him figure 8. So you may take him fitting him, yeah. You may pass. You may push some in the pipe through the him, yeah. After you make him all same, yeah. You put some another one in the him back inside the him, yeah. Where him me start him all same, yeah. Make him say water him no sabi come out. Suppose you want them cut him out from say dirty come inside long pipe to you cut him out no more. You sabi run him water, you go through him, long wash him out all dirty. You got some fella different kind fitting to him too. Some fella kind fitting, or you push him, you go inside to him no more. After you got one clamp, when you hold him tight, when you fasten him long water, you know sabi come out. Store where you cut him all supplies with you, but I just tell him good when I'm now kind fitting by all you put them. If you want something no more, you must got one something, long close him or start him poly pipe to you. After you start him drip tube to you, time you got in to him, by put them one goof plug inside the inside long end belong dripper tube or dripper line. Him now, him no more all stampa. We must savvy time you may put them one drip irrigation long rainwater tank to you. Okay, thank you Tomas. Bamba you may look lo one video back again, lo sampala more something back again.